Racing our GT3 cars at Spa Francorchamps. Out in Belgium, coming up next on Slot Car Racing. Hello everybody and welcome back to another great slot car race night, our last racing night for 2018 and the last one of our GT3 league. Tonight we'll be racing in Spa Francorchamps out in Belgium, and if you would like to build this great track, don't forget to check out how I built it over on Patreon, and it's a pretty cool big track to check out. So if you love this video and love these videos that I make, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell so that every time I make another one of these great track building videos, you are the first one to see it. And we're going to make a lot in 2019. So without further ado, let's go down to the track and race this great race. Right, another night of racing. We got Kevin in his police car, I'm in my black car, and we have this BMW green car set up as a base car. Hopefully. Should have sent him my tires. No. Well, at least we got a race this week, which is good. All you folks in YouTube land can watch us wipe out. Lap 16, 517. Sorry, Kevin.
That's okay.
So killing your car with a battery. You gonna break the screw out?
No.
That one you did on the process.
Burn it?
That one you did on the process. Yeah. 39 left, 517. Last 10, 9, 8, whatever. 4, 3, 2, 1. 42 laps, 517. Now here's our standings at the end of the race, and I got 39 points. Josh and Howard were not here, and Kevin ended up with 51. And now here's our standings at the end of the league. I'm in first place with 247, Kevin is in second with 212, Josh is in third with 162, and Howard is in fourth with 153. Well, I hope you enjoyed this great track race, and I'd like to say have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and look forward to our next leagues, which will be Formula One starting January 2019. It'll be great. And if you want to see how to build Spa Francorchamps at your own house, whoosy, don't forget to check it out over on our Patreon page. And there's many other great tracks there too. I think I have about 25 up there by now. I'm not too sure. Go over and check it out for sure. And if you like these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell so that every time I make a new video, you are the first one to see it. And let's try to get this guy up to 100 likes. And until next time, have a great rest of 2018, and we'll see you in the new year.